What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog day with Diana. Life, everything. Today's vlog is all about preparation because it is my cousin baby shower. Yes! So we're going to the baby shower, and I'm gonna show you all the food that we had to prepare for that baby shower. And after that, we're going to the baby shower, and I'm gonna show you everything that's going on. So without further ado, let's go. Today was all about family. Wherever we have a big celebration, everyone has a job, and my job today was to make potato salad and couple of other stuff. We all like to help as a family, and especially when it comes to cooking, nobody waits until the last minute or expect one person to do everything. We all together help whoever we can. I actually love days like this because the kitchen becomes the busiest room in the house. Today we've been cooking so much. Someone is watching the dishes, someone is preparing the food, somebody else is packing the trays, and everyone is talking about the same thing over and over. It is a little chaotic, but in the best way because we all having fun, preparing food, and enjoying the day and whatever event we are going to celebrate. I also feel like this is one of those traditions that has always been part of our family. Instead of just showing up to the party, we like to spend time preparing everything together first. And it's not really about the food, it is all the memory we make while getting ready. I always think these behind the scenes moments are just as special as the celebration itself. As we work together, we share stories, we laugh, we make jokes, we talk about memories, all stories, and we talk about how excited we were for tomorrow. There are something confronting about hearing everyone chatting while we are all focused on different tasks. It makes the world feel so much lighter. So I'm here preparing my potato salad, and as you can see, I'm trying to do it as fast as I can because I'm running late for the party and I'm responsible to bring all the food. So I'm gonna add some salt and vinegar to my onions, so it's gonna taste so good my potato salad. One thing I have learned is that the little moments are usually the ones we remember the most. Not the decoration, not the gift, not even the perfect pictures. Sometimes it is simply being together in the kitchen or in the party, in the house, in the couch, helping each other without anyone having to ask. I think that's what family is really about, and I love and enjoy doing these dishes and participating in these family events. While I'm preparing my potato salad, my mom is doing some pastelillos plus a other bunch of stuff that you guys gonna see later on. So this is coming out really good and I'm so excited. Right now, I'm trying to be as fast as I can. Yeah, I'm putting my all my potato salad together, mixing everything, all the ingredients. My mom is getting ready all the stuff over there. Then we had to go shower and get ready and go to the party, to the baby shower before all the guests start coming. So we had to be the first people in that baby shower. So I'm getting my eggs, everything together and mixing all my ingredients. The good thing is I'm very good at cooking, so I know how this is gonna come out. I can do this without closing my eyes. I know how to cook. My mom teach me. We all know how to cook and we like to cook big trays. We know we are very expert in that area. So I'm very proud of myself. So before we knew it, the trays were filling up and everything was starting to come together. And you could finally picture what was gonna be and how this part is gonna end up. Everybody gonna lick their finger. So I finished. I put my mayo, my mayonnaise, everything, and yeah, this reminds me the best celebration just not just happen overnight. They take teamwork, love, and a lot of helping hands. So this baby shower It's gonna be a nice celebration, a new baby coming to the house, and I'm so happy. She is my cousin, and she was also who take care of my daughter when my daughter was little. And now look at guys, these pastelillos. Look at the lasagna, my potato salad, the black rice, and some yams, whatever we have over there, yuca. Yeah, this is, look at this. Stalin Grace. I love it. Everybody's gonna love this food. We did it with so much love. And now I gotta go shower. In a little bit, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear. So I don't know. So let's go. Now guys, this is when I'm showing my outfit. The taxi is already waiting for us, so I couldn't record so much, but yeah, I will show you more later on. And yeah, we took the taxi, we already heading to the baby shower, and stay tuned for more because I'm gonna show you everything that happened in the baby shower, but that will be for another video. So subscribe and follow me for more.